Hey everyone and welcome! Today I'll show you the correct way to transfer all your WhatsApp chats, including your photos and videos without losing anything from your old Android phone to your new one. As you can see on my old phone, all my conversations and media are here. Now let's begin the transfer process. On your new phone, open WhatsApp, agree to the terms and enter your phone number. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to you on your old phone. Now, this is the most important step. Enter the first 5 digits of the code, but do not enter the final digit. We're pausing here for a very specific reason. If you enter the full code, WhatsApp on your new phone will not show the transfer chat history option. To get the transfer chat history option, we need to first initiate the transfer from the old phone itself. So now on your old phone, remember the last code digit and go back to the WhatsApp. Go to Settings, then Chats and tap on Transfer Chats. This prepares your old phone for the direct transfer. Now go back to your new phone and enter that final digit of the verification code. Because we took that specific step on the old phone first, you should now see a transfer chat history screen. For any reason this screen does not appear, don't worry. Simply log back into WhatsApp on your old phone, all your chats will still be there and you can repeat the process carefully. Once you see the screen, tap Continue. A QR code will appear on your new phone. Use your old phone to scan this QR code. Chat transfer will now begin. The time it takes will depend on the size of your data, so please be patient. Once the transfer is complete, tap Next and finish setting up your WhatsApp profile as you normally would. And just like that, all your chats are successfully transferred to your new phone. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.